Welcome to a quick tutorial on IRIS CRM user classes. Different user roles, such as a sales rep, sales manager, or administrator, normally require access to different sets of CRM functions and data. By creating a user class for each user role, and assigning your users to the appropriate user class, you can ensure that each user has access only to the functions and data that they need for their work. For example, a sales rep requires access to CRM leads, calendar, and helpdesk. A sales manager requires access to everything a sales rep can access, plus additional features such as sales reports, sales user management, and other managerial features. An administrator normally requires access to all system features so that they can ensure smooth running of the CRM for all users. IRIS CRM enables you to configure your own user classes according to your needs. Let's create a new user class called Agent now, and configure the class permissions. Open the administration page and click on the user classes shortcut. Now click on the Add New User Class button and enter the name of the new user class. Next, select the type of the new user class. You can choose between Basic, Advanced, and Administrator user class types. Each class type comes with a different set of permissions and cost per user. Note that the permissions and user class type can be changed later at any time. If needed, you can also copy a setup from an existing user class and then fine-tune the permissions. The Agent user class has now been created. We can manage the user class using the shortcuts in the Actions column. Let's look at the user class permissions. The permissions are shown in several different groups of features. To enable a permission, simply select it, and click Save at the bottom of the page. Finally, let's see how to assign the Agent user class to a new user. Open the User Accounts page and click Add New User. Fill in the new user's information and select the Agent user class in the User Class dropdown. When you're done, click Create User. Thank you for watching. To try IRIS CRM today, visit www.iriscrm.com.